Oh dear, what a beautiful day it is. Hi, Duck. What a beautiful day it was. Gordon. Oh, yes, Henry. Is it true that in the new series I'm written out? Well, I mean, I wouldn't say you're written out. Well, I mean... Hi, Toby. Gordon, listen to me carefully. Mattel hates the show. Well, we knew that. They hate you too. What the fuck? I'm really glad we got rid of that thing earlier. Hi! God damn it! And I'm Boko. Okay, but genuine though, who even are these guys? Like, I didn't watch the episode with them. No! No! No. Neville, I think there's something up with Thomas. What do you mean? All engines go! To hell. Hello there. I'm a woman! Where was I going with this joke? What the fuck? I'm just not gonna ask. My name is Trevor. Duncan, don't you do it. Don't. No, Duncan. Fine. I like to... Duncan! Man, I sure do love pulling coaches. Oh, hi, Thomas. You better love Satan too, buddy. What are you talking about? Oh, shit. Oh dear, I feel like I'm being watched. I feel like there's a reference here that I'm not getting. Well, James, you know, Hawkeye Express coming through. Am I high? No, I saw it too. Fuck.